The Kreg PRS1045 Precision Router Table System is a comprehensive solution for woodworking enthusiasts seeking precision, durability, and versatility in their router table setup. This review delves into its key features and user experience. At the heart of the system is a 24 by 32-inch router tabletop, equipped with a router insert plate that includes 3 molded level lock-reducing rings. This provides users with the flexibility to accommodate different router sizes and applications. The 36-inch T-square style router table fence enhances accuracy and setup precision, featuring a micro-adjust wheel for fine-tuning adjustments. One notable improvement is the redesigned outfeed anchor, which optimizes table space utilization and facilitates easier removal. The multi-purpose steel stand adds to the system's adaptability, with adjustable height ranging from 31 to 39 inch. In terms of functionality, the system boasts a multi-purpose, self-squaring router table fence system, ensuring consistent and accurate cuts. The high-performance tabletop, constructed with vibration-dampening materials, coupled with the precision insert plate system, enhances stability and reduces operational vibrations. User feedback highlights several positive aspects of the system. The assembly process is straightforward, with components fitting seamlessly and clear instructions provided. The robust construction of the frame ensures stability during operation. Users appreciate the inclusion of setup bars, which significantly improve speed, accuracy, and repeatability in setups. Despite a minor issue with a cracked laminate on the table's back edge, the exemplary customer service from Kreg, demonstrated by prompt replacement shipment, left users impressed. The company's commitment to customer satisfaction and efficient resolution of issues contribute to a positive overall experience. Overall, the Kreg PRS1045 Precision Router Table System earns praise for its functionality, durability, and customer support. From assembly to performance, users find it to be a superior option compared to previous setups, making it a highly recommended choice for woodworking enthusiasts seeking a reliable and versatile router table solution.